Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to install LaserJet tuner in any kind of laser printer. Right now I have Canon printer. Okay, the model number is L410 and the tuner number is 728. The original tuner inside, if I open like this is a cover for tuner. The tuner is inside. Here you can see, please come closer. Here you can see this is a tuner. Right, like this we will remove the tuner. Okay, now you will see this tuner number is 728. Okay, and now this is the tuner I am going to replace. This is a new one, but this is compatible tuner. Okay, it can use in 78 number also and 728 also. So now I will remove the plastic like this. I will remove plastic from the tuner cartridge, and then carefully we have to remove this plastic from one side and this side. And the main thing, there is one strip, transparent strip. We have to pull this strip completely outside like this. Okay, and then shake it a bit like this and open the cover and front cover. Then just simply insert the tuner, and then close this cover and close this cover. Right after that, printer will start initializing, and then you can resume your printing. If you have any other question regarding any other printer, or if you have facing trouble, you can ask down in the comments. I will reply your questions. Thank you for watching. All the best.